Okay, so I haven't made a video on this in so long. I'm sorry. I needed a break from the game, but we're back now. So, the aggression mode we are going to do today, we're going to do 5, and then we're just going to keep going to the end. So we're going to do 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, and then 99. So let's start off with 5. It says it's easy mode, so sure that shouldn't be that hard. Yes! I don't need to look out for the man. So I could just stay in the office the whole night. Apparently Expunged is out this night too. So I am just gonna chill and talk about this game. The phone design is amazing. Literally everything is amazing except for the things on the desk. Sup, Dove? How's it going? I don't hear any sound other than like I don't hear that Dave usually does. Alright. Why is there no sound? I missed the sound! Expung could be roaming around anywhere right now. Sadly, you cannot see Expung. Bang, 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 bang. This is a little challenging, the fact that I cannot hear a single sound. Best pizza in the dimension. Yawn. Oh yay! Bendu's there. So we don't have to check on Bendu. Doesn't look like Bam Bam or Rinky is out this night, so Bendu's the keyboard dude, Rinky's the spike head, Bam Bam is the dude that I have to, check on in the hallway. I wish I can hear the footsteps, like, come on. 4 a.m. Man, I wish I can hear sound. Like, I'd like to hear this. And these candies. And, like, that'd be great. Oh, I see Expunged. See, Expunged comes out on the custom night. Told ya. Could probably keep the doors closed for the rest of the game. I think I am. Sup, baby? Take me out to dinner. Sup, baby? Take me out to dinner. Expunged's over here. Sup, baby? Take me out to dinner. I'd like to hear footsteps. And not quiet. Xbox at my door. That was easy. Wasn't that hard. Except for the sound issues. The Malrex. You're also so it's just gonna place the credits again. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.